NCERT Class 8 English Chapter 7 The Open Window. Comprehension Check. Page 57. Question 1. Why had Frampton Nuttall come to the rural retreat? Answer. Mr. Frampton Nuttall was suffering from a nerve disorder and was worried about his health condition. His doctor recommended that he take a break from his city life. Hence, he had come to the rural retreat as a measure to undergo treatment for his nerve problem in the peaceful environment of the countryside. Question 2. Why had his sister given him letters of introduction to people living there? Answer. I. Complete story. Answer I. Nuttall did not know people in the countryside. Hence, his sister gave him letters of introduction to people living there, so that he would not feel lonely and isolated while he visited the countryside for his nerve ailment treatment. She was aware that he would speak less and his nerve disorder would get worse from moping. One among those letters of introduction was of Mrs. Sappleton. Question 3. What had happened in the Sappleton family as narrated by the niece? Answer. The niece told Mr. Nuttall that around 3 years ago, Mrs. Sappleton's husband and her two young brothers went off for their day's shooting. They never returned. While they were crossing the moor to their favorite shooting ground, all three of them were engulfed in a treacherous piece of bog. It was a dreadful wet summer, and even the places that were once safe in other years suddenly gave way without any warning. However, their bodies were never recovered. Comprehension check. Page 60. Question 1. What did Mrs. Sappleton say about the open window? Answer. When Mrs. Sappleton met Mr. Nuttall, she said that her husband and her two young brothers would enter the house through the open window. Hence, she kept it open till it was dark, and hoped that Mr. Nuttall had no problem in keeping the window open. Question 2. The horror on the girl's face made Frampton swing around in his seat. What did he see? Answer. When Frampton turned around his seat after seeing the horror on the girl's face, he noticed a silhouette of three men with guns and a dog in the midst of evening light. Then there was a hoarse young voice that called out to the dog. Seeing this, Nuttall agreed to the description given by Vera and realized it was indeed right. Comprehension check. Page 61. Question 1. Why did Frampton rush out wildly? Answer. Vera told Mr. Nuttall that her aunt, Mrs. Appleton's husband, and her two young brothers had been missing for 3 years. When Frampton saw a silhouette of three men with guns and a dog in the midst of evening light, he thought these were their ghosts, and he rushed out wildly in fear. Question 2. What was the girl's explanation for his lightning exit? Answer. The girl explained that Frampton made a lightning exit because of the spaniel dog. She mentioned that Nuttall told her that he had a horror of dogs. He was once hunted into a cemetery somewhere on the banks of the Ganges by a pack of dogs, and had to spend the night in a newly dug grave with the creatures snarling and grinning and foaming just above him. Hence, when he heard the spaniel bark outside, he left the place at lightning speed. Exercise. Page 61. Discuss in small groups. Question 1. Is this a mystery story? Give a reason for your answer. Answer. While explaining the mystery of the big open French window, Mrs. Sappleton's niece created an imaginative story with a mysterious backdrop. Later, when the three men with guns arrive with a dog, it makes Frampton believe that he has seen ghosts, and he rushes out of the house wildly in fear. Hence, we can say that the story, The Open Window, contains various elements of a mystery. Question 2. Answer. Irony refers to a situation in which something which was supposed to have a particular result, on the contrary, has an opposite or different result. In the story The Open Window, Mr. Frampton Nuttall goes to visit the countryside with the hope of finding a cure for his nerve ailment. But when Mrs. Sappleton's niece pulls a prank on him, he cannot deal with fear and makes a lightning exit from that place. He mistakes Mrs. Sappleton's husband and her two young brothers to be ghosts and leaves the house without bidding goodbye to her. Question 3. Which phrases, sentences in the text do you find difficult to understand? Select a few and guess the meaning of each. Rewrite a simple paraphrase of each. Answer. Masculine habitation. This implies that some male persons used to live in the room. Pretty. Why do you bound? The word bound means to jump or leap. But in the story, it refers to Ronnie, Mrs. Sappleton's youngest brother, who would often say this to scare her. Came into the nice division. This refers to nice people.